Spandana HDTV, born with an intention to present quality programs in the most creative way. With the application of advanced technology, Spandana recognizes itself as the first HD television channel in the state. Spandana now covers the districts of Dakshina Kannada, Udupi, part of Uttara Kannada and Malnad regions. The programs are designed keeping in mind people of different age groups. Let us have a look at the programs that are getting telecasted on Spandana HDTV. Programs start from 5 am and go on till 12 am. At 5 am is Adhyatma Shastra. From 6 to 7 am is the program on devotional songs, Devaranama. 7 am onwards, Ninna Nama Ondiddare Saku. At 8 am, Morning Tea with Spandana, special news presentation. From 9 to 10 am is Sankhya Jyotisha with popular numerologist Sri Vijay Raj. From 10 to 10:30 is Just Chill Madi, a show just to laugh. From 10:30 to 11:30, Best Wishes, a show to wish your loved ones on special occasions. From 12:30 to 1:30, a program on daily developments. At 1:30 pm is the lunch hours, Samagra Suddhi Sanchaya. From 2 to 3 pm, a show exclusively for ladies, Women's Club. From 3 to 4 pm, a live show with doctors under the title RX Vaidyo Narayano Hari. From 4 to 4:30, news at 4 pm. From 4:30 is the live show on daily political developments. At 5:30 pm, a show on wonders of the world under the title Vismaya Loka. From 6 pm, a live show targeting the youth, Yuva Spandana. At 7 pm, News Today. From 7:30 pm is Swaramadhurya, a journey with musical instruments. At 8 pm, live show on political, cinema or any other developments. From 9 pm, a special program on special topics. From 9:30 pm, Cinema Today, a show on filmy gossips and others. At 10 is News at 10 pm. Very special shows like Simply Sangeeta, Havu Navu, Best Click, Geeta Spandana, Namaskara Madam, Bindas Dampati, family reality game shows are getting telecasted on Saturdays and Sundays. Innovative programs are also being presented on special days and occasions. All these programs only on Spandana HDTV.